Honor has been on a roll this year, launching several new models with one of the latest being the foldable Honor Magic 5S. Today, we're checking out another model from the brand's new flagship lineup, the Magic 5 Pro. It's got everything you'd want in a flagship model: a powerful chipset, a nice camera, a beautiful display, and many more. Hey guys, it's Jose here from Yugatech, and join us as we do a quick hands-on video of the new Honor Magic 5 Pro. So let's start with the design of the Honor Magic 5 Pro. The first thing you'll notice is that the phone is quite thick. Actually, quite is an understatement. It's actually very thick, and that's mainly due to the rear triple camera system. We'll talk more about it later in this video, but you should have an idea already how capable it is just based on the design. Now, the back panel itself looks nice in this meadow green colorway. Although it may not look like it in this video, the panel is actually made of glass. It feels really nice to the touch too with its matte finish. And it's hard to tell, but it's also curved. I also like how it's very smudge resistant. Perfect if you have sweaty hands like me. The metal frame also feels great, but it does have a chrome-like finish, and that's where you can leave fingerprints. Moving on the right side of the phone, you'll find the power button and the volume button, while at the bottom there's the USB-C port, the SIM card slot, and the loudspeaker. At the top, there's another loudspeaker, a microphone, and even an IR sensor. Overall, the phone feels great on your hand, but it is quite heavy, at 219 grams according to Honor. Then you also have the thickness of the phone, which is very thick compared to other flagship models, and this makes it a bit tight in your pants. As for the display, you get a nice 6.81-inch curved OLED screen. It's great out of the box with really nice colors and very deep blacks. They're quite accurate too, perfect for those editing photos and videos on the go. Also, if you just want to watch videos, they're really nice. If you want the colors to be even more saturated, there's a vivid option in color mode, and you can even adjust the temperature to your liking. As for me, I'd like to keep it in normal mode. Aside from the colors, you also have a really bright backlight, making it easy to use under direct sunlight. In addition, the display has a maximum of 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for watching videos, playing games, or even just going through the menus and social media. The loudspeaker is great compared to other phones I've tried, but they do lack a bit of bass. On the plus side though, they are very loud, especially if you need them to be. This makes it great when you're watching videos with friends or gaming alone without using earphones. Powering the Honor Magic 5 Pro is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. It's one of the most powerful chips on the market today, and there are various RAM options available for this phone, up to 16GB at most. As for internal storage, it has a maximum of 512GB. Unfortunately, there is no micro SD card to further expand the memory. So with that, you know it can run almost any game you could think of. Heck, we even run Honkai Star Rail in this phone with the settings on high, and we didn't experience any frame rate drop. There's also Game Boost mode to further enhance your gaming experience. In terms of performance, it is a great phone, especially to play games or even just use it as a daily. However, it is a bit weird to hold due to the large camera housing at the back. Now, speaking of the camera, the highlight of the Honor Magic 5 Pro is the camera system, which I'm sure photographers and videographers will enjoy using. The main camera module uses 50-megapixel 1/1.12-inch sensor with a wide f1.6 aperture. It's joined by a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens and another 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This means no matter what subject you're shooting, it has you covered. It shows in the photos you take. Even if you zoom into 10x, the photos are still sharp, unlike other smartphones I've tried. There's even a 100x zoom in photo mode if you're taking photos of something very far away. Now, do note that the photo isn't as sharp when you're in 100x zoom mode, but you still get some details, so it's great if you just want to zoom in. And just like the photos, the video it captures are great too. The Magic 5 Pro can shoot at a maximum of 4K at 60 FPS. And there's even a log mode if you want to color grade the footage later on. With the help of OIS plus GIS, which is stabilization, you don't really need a tripod or a gimbal, and you can shoot handheld with ease. However, I still recommend using a gimbal when you're shooting with 10x zoom. If you're still not impressed, this phone currently leads the DxOMark camera test. As for the battery, the Magic 5 Pro packs a 5100 mAh unit, which does last the entire day with just regular use. But if you end up playing the entire day, the battery does go down really fast. Thankfully, there's a 66 watt fast charging and even 50 watt wireless fast charging. So that's about it for a somewhat lengthy hands-on video of the Honor Magic 5 Pro. If you want to see the full benchmark scores, be sure to wait for a full review coming soon. As for the price, Honor has yet to reveal the price of the Magic 5 Pro at the moment we recorded this video. But we will add it into the description below once we have it. And of course, you should check yugatech.com because we're gonna write the news about it. So, what do you think of the Honor Magic 5 Pro so far? Is it a flagship smartphone you'll consider as compared to other flagship models? Let us know what you think in the comment sections below. And if you enjoyed this video, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.